And now, weather on the Threes with Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Chris Still.
And I hope you are having a good Tuesday morning. Looking pretty good out there on the Grand Strand. We do have some clouds in the sky, but we are rain-free. We may not stay that way the entire day. The early part of the day looks pretty good. Titan radar over the past 3 hours has not been showing any rain. We are going to have some good rain chances headed our way mostly tonight, and a few thunderstorms could be on the strong side. This disturbance now in the Great Lakes, believe it or not, will follow the jet stream down to the south. And with that jet stream near our area, that will provide some wind energy for some of these thunderstorms to get on the rough side starting late this afternoon and into tonight. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. In the short term, the weather looks pretty good. In fact, if you have plans before about 3 o'clock this afternoon, everything looks pretty good and certainly very warm. 62 in Florence right now, 61 in Myrtle Beach, 61 currently in Lumberton. It's going to be another warm day out there. We'll call it partly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s at 9 o'clock in the morning. Very nice at noon today, partly sunny skies, about 77 beach and inland. Inland areas get into the 80s about like yesterday with a high near 84 degrees, a little cooler at the beach with those upper 70s. Through the afternoon hours, our rain chances are going to stay on the order of about 30%, and then rain does become likely this evening and possibly into the overnight hours. The rain's going to hold off for so long, I went ahead and made the Hair Day forecast a perfect 5, really a nice start to the day. Just keep an eye out. It could be a little bit of a stormy finish. Here's a look at it all on our forecast tracker early on this morning. We'll start out with that disturbance up there in the Great Lakes. The computer models seem to be picking up on it. That will be headed to the south during the day today, but it will take a while to get here. In fact, by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. I really think we'll have a couple a little sooner, and that thunderstorm could be on the strong side as well. But the main rain chance will arrive during the evening. This is 7 o'clock. I think still a little bit isolated, but a few thunderstorms possible then. And then later in the evening into the overnight hours, there's your main disturbance. This is 11 o'clock tonight. Could have some pretty hefty hail and some of these thunderstorms and very gusty winds. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Before you go to bed tonight, be sure you turn on those weather radios. It's kind of like a fire alarm for the weather, if you will. That'll wake you up in the middle of the night and let you know the weather has gotten rough. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, storms early in the day, but watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. I think the weather actually improves quite a bit by 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. We're talking highs in the low 80s again tomorrow, and rain chances tomorrow afternoon fairly slim. But watch what happens Thursday. More green on the map. We're going to have a chance of thunderstorms in the forecast every day through early next week. Partly sunny afternoon thunderstorms today, but only about a 30% chance in the afternoon. 80 your high today in Murrells Inlet, 84 very warm day in Florence, and 82 today in Mullins. Out there tonight, that's when the best chance of rain and thunderstorms will happen, mainly later in the evening. 63 your low tonight in Florence, 65 in Myrtle Beach, and 65 tonight in Murrells Inlet. 7-day forecast for the Grand Strand shows at least a chance of rain out there for every day in the next 7 days. Fairly dry weather overall Wednesday and Thursday with only a 30% chance. Chance of thunderstorms for the weekend, but at least it will be warm with highs right around 81 degrees.